Today we will show you how to prepare a delicious dish of fusilli with tuna and tomato, ideal for a quick and tasty meal. Ingredients: 320 grams of fusilli, 200 grams of canned tuna in oil, 400 grams of peeled tomatoes or tomato sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, fresh parsley, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook the fusilli until al dente. While the pasta cooks, start preparing the sauce. In a large pan, pour a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, about 3 tablespoons, and heat it over medium heat. Add the whole garlic cloves, slightly crushed with the blade of a knife to release more flavor. Let the garlic sauté until golden, then remove and discard it. Add the peeled tomatoes to the pan. If you're using whole peeled tomatoes, lightly crush them with a wooden spoon to break them into smaller pieces and get a rustic texture. If you prefer a smoother sauce, you can opt for tomato sauce. Cook the tomatoes over medium heat for about 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally. The sauce should reduce slightly and become thicker. If you notice it drying out too much, you can add a ladle of pasta cooking water to maintain the right consistency. Drain the tuna from its oil and add it to the tomato sauce. Stir gently to distribute the tuna in the sauce, being careful not to break it too much. Let it cook for another 3-4 minutes over low heat. When the fusilli are ready, drain them and add them directly to the pan with the sauce and tuna. Slightly increase the heat and toss everything together for 2-3 minutes, adding a ladle of pasta cooking water if necessary to keep the sauce creamy. Once the pasta is well coated and the flavors are harmonized, turn off the heat and add a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley. If you like, you can finish the dish with a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Serve the fusilli hot. To stay updated with new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. This dish is a typical example of how Italian cuisine can enhance simple and accessible ingredients. Canned tuna is a versatile and widely used ingredient in Italy, often part of first courses or salads. It can be a great solution for a quick but nutritious and flavorful dinner. Always remember to choose good quality ingredients to achieve the best possible result in the final dish.